man. Interior.
Number 1. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. This vehicle is located in our PA showroom, free shipping and warranty. 427 SID big block Chevrolet engine. Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering. Power brakes. Front disc brakes. Rear disc brakes. 4-wheel disc brakes. 15-inch wheels. Front tires, 225/60/15. Rear tires, 225/60/15. BF Goodrich radial TA tires. American Racing Torque thrust 2 wheels. GM 10-bolt rear end. Posey rear end. 2.73 gear ratio. Wien cast aluminum intake. Edelbrock 1411 750 CFM 4-barrel carburetor. Stock style distributor. HEI coil. Mechanical fuel pump. HEI ignition. Griffin aluminum radiator. 6-blade cooling fan. Orange exterior. Black Yenko stripes. Chrome front and rear bumpers. Driver and passenger side mirrors. Bright window trim. 120 miles per hour speedometer. Black vinyl interior. Black carpeting. Black dash. Black headliner. Black door panels. Front bucket seats. Rear bench seat. Front and rear seat belts. SW column mounted tachometer. Equus voltmeter. Equus water temperature gauge. Equus oil pressure gauge. Chrome Hurst shifter. Kenwood AM/FM/CD/Bluetooth/AUX/USB radio. Audiobank 700W rear speakers. Trunk mat. Drilled and slotted front and rear rotors. Rear air shocks. Billet aluminum upper mounts. Chrome engine oil pan. Chrome valve covers. Promax aluminum cylinder heads. At a price, $61,900. Number 2. 1966 Chevelle 300 Deluxe wagon. 454 4-speed Muncie M21 with 12-bolt 3.42 Posey. 4-wheel disc brakes. Less than 1,000 miles. Since build. Brand new 17.8 and 17.9 US Will Steelies with Nitto NT 555 G2 tires and brand new caps. Black bucket seats and full console with working clock. All brand new interior. Hurst shifter, SS gauge cluster and knee knocker attach. Chevelle SS rear sway bar and 1 1/8 front trans. AMWS 6 sway bar. Aldon American front adjustable coilovers and CPP rear lowering springs with Bell-Tech drop shocks. Original Marina blue car. California car, most of its life, no rust or repair panels. Be the only one at the cruise night and car shows with such a unique cool car. Located in Eastern PA. No scammers or bullshitters. Please make sure you have funds available and your wife's permission before wasting your time and mine. I will not reply to, "Is this available?" If the ad is up, it is available. Please take the time to send a message and ask questions. At a price $59,900. Number 3. This is a 1972 Pontiac GTO hardtop. With the original 400 cu in engine, for BBL, dual exhaust with factory exhaust splitters, power steering, power disc brakes, tinted glass, and 4-speed manual transmission. A built-in AM/FM stereo radio with built-in 8-track player was installed in the car when new. A true time capsule with 15,000 actual miles from new with all original paperwork including the original title. Was put away in 1976 and still sports the 1976 Virginia State Inspection sticker. Has original Goodyear Polyglass raised white letter tires, all original hoses, belts, etc. Runs and drives out like it did in 1972. All cars are available for sale worldwide. We are available to help arrange shipping for you to any destination. Fuel type, gasoline. At a price, $75,500. Number 4. 1957 Chevrolet 150. Classic Tri. 5-era restoration. Fuel required is proud to present this beautifully. Restored 1957 Chevrolet 150, now available in our McDonald, Pennsylvania showroom. As part of Chevrolet's renowned Tri-5 era, the Chevrolet 150 was an economy model with sleek, sportier styling that matched its 210 and Bel Air siblings. Known for its simplicity and durability, the 150 was also the foundation for the legendary Black Widow race cars, which claimed the 1957 NASCAR Grand National Championship. This exceptional example has undergone a complete rotisserie restoration, including a professional repaint. The black and gray interior is in excellent condition, showing no signs of wear. Powered by an original Crate 350 V8 engine and paired with a Tremec TKX 5-speed transmission, this Chevrolet 150 combines vintage appeal with modern performance. The odometer reads just 9,642 miles since restoration. At a price, $64,950. Number 5. 1964 Chevrolet Malibu, Classic, SS Super Sport. $59,500 cash only for sale, not on sale. In transport from Seattle to Fayetteville will be available in a week. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS 2DR hardtop 0 miles number 5837 numbers matching purchased from original owner in 2020. $50,000 in receipts for parts only not including paintwork, bodywork or labor. For SP Automatic Trans TH 2004R. 283 CI rebuilt with performance parts. Auburn Locker. Restomod build long list of upgrades and custom work throughout entire car. America Racing Torque Thrust 218-inch front and 22 rear wheels no rubbing. Air ride suspension Bluetooth and remote. Keyless entry doors and trunk. Tons of billet specialties ACC, interior and engine bay. 040 white with silver metallic and pearl paint. Everything is new or restored. Full restoration nearly finished, needs cam and valves adjusted, exhaust have mufflers and headliner install, entire car disassembled, shell stayed on frame. I'm very meticulous and like perfection. 3-year resto finished assembly September 2023. Number 6. 1936 Ford Roadster, convertible, driven 24,000 miles. 36 Deluxe Roadster, 283, 39 Trans, Columbia 2-speed, 24K original AL miles. One owner for 58 years, never rusted or wrecked. $89,900. Murraysville, Pennsylvania. See opposing cylinders or DM or hidden information. Number 7. 1967 Chevrolet SS Coupe, driven 300 miles. 1967 Chevy 2 Nova Restomod. Complete rotisserie restoration with every part new and all the chrome is either new or re-chromed. All body parts are NOS with the exception of the hood and core support. This car was built to have the old school look with all the modern amenities. Ground-shaking power with a modern ride. For 96/525 plus HP big block stroker scat crank Brody aluminum heads Holly sniper fuel injection. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission American powertrain clutch and throw-out bearing all new stock interior. Odometer gauges Idiot tilt steering column billet specialties steering wheel all new. Glass, felt, hardware, etc. New America wire harness 9-inch Curry rear end height front suspension with power steering coilovers. All around and 4-link setup. Stainless steel exhaust American Racing Torque thrust wheels 18-inch rear and 17 front. CVF Racing serpentine belt system. Powder-coated suspension. Willwood 4-wheel power disc brakes with slotted rotors and the list goes on. At a price, $95,000. 8th number. HOTROD magazine front cover car. July 1986. Great build quality. 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Built by Don Ness, Kerry Weissner, Jim Petro, Petrikowski, Fred Boucher, Greg Fleury, Mike Bryan, Rick Kluggers, Andy Peterson, Dave Murray. 440C engine. Roller cam. Venolia pistons. L88 rods. DeBird block. Mega blower 6 to 71 roots blower. This is a one-of-a-kind build. Professionally built, and it is in excellent condition. Attached are link to HOTROD magazine digital link, at a price, $84,995. Number 9. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle for sale. Up for sale is our beautiful 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle, finished in stunning burgundy paint. This classic American muscle car is powered by a strong-running 350 V8 engine. With its sleek design, vibrant color, and powerful engine, this 65 Chevelle is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just looking for a fun weekend cruiser, this car is sure to impress. Features: 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, burgundy exterior paint, classic interior design, iconic 65 Chevelle styling, power steering for effortless handling, power brakes for increased stopping safety. Condition: this vehicle has been well maintained and restored to its former glory. The burgundy paint job is vibrant and glossy, while the interior is clean and comfortable. The 350 V8 engine runs strong and smooth. Asking price, $37,993. Number 10. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtop. A 454 cu in V8 engine has been added along with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Car has power steering, bucket seats, with floor shifter, and rally wheels. Very good running, solid Malibu hardtop with nice paint on a deep South Classic. In the hard-to-find 67 Chevelle, all cars are available for sale worldwide. We are available to help arrange shipping for you to any destination. Champion Pre-owned.